Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly customize the ChatGPT Accent Color on your iPhone and iPad. Do you want to give your ChatGPT app a more personal touch? Well, changing the accent color is an easy way to make your interface feel more vibrant and uniquely yours. In this hands-on guide, I'll show you the quick way to customize the accent color on ChatGPT for iPhone and iPad so every chat feels just right for you. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the ChatGPT app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to hit the menu button located at the top left corner of the screen. After that you have to tap on your profile located at the bottom. Then you have to head over to the app section and tap on the color button located next to accent color. After that, you have to choose the preferred accent color such as orange, yellow, green, blue, or pink. Note that your chosen color will come into action right away. That means you don't have to bother about relaunching the ChatGPT app. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it and experiment with different colors to match your style and enjoy a more visually pleasing chat experience. And I'll catch you up in the next one.